Top 5 apps like NfxReviewscom Netflix that actually work today. NfxReviewscom is known for Netflix reviews, but most people get this wrong by not exploring verified streaming review apps. The surprising truth is there are several apps that provide accurate ratings, user feedback, and personalized recommendations. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, IMDb offers verified movie and television reviews with ratings. Users love detailed info on shows and films. Second, Rotten Tomatoes combines critic and audience reviews for streaming content. Customers highlight trustworthy scores and recommendations. Third, Metacritic provides aggregated ratings for movies, TV, and games. Users appreciate clear summaries and verified reviews. Fourth, JustWatch tracks streaming availability with verified content info. App users enjoy personalized recommendations and watch lists. Finally, Letterboxd offers community reviews and ratings for movies. Users value verified reviews and social interaction. Pro tip: always cross-check multiple verified sources to choose content worth watching. This ensures a better streaming experience. These 5 apps help you find the best Netflix shows and movies safely with accurate reviews.